we're gonna dump some snail. Oh, look how nice that is. It tastes like dirt, so we need to fix that. Fill this with water. We're just gonna let it run for a minute, and we're gonna get all these cleaned off. And that's only really to remove that can flavor. After about 5 minutes, we'll be able to pull them back out and dry them off. And these are extra large snails, so they're quite beastly. Hey everybody, I'm Chef Dad, and this is my snail and noodles. So this meal shouldn't take longer than that. It says 10 minutes. I don't know if it's flashing for you. Noodles are already dropped. Some butter, which is just about 6 tablespoons of butter. And right now I'm just gonna turn that on a medium-low heat. I'm gonna take my shallots and I'm just gonna cut them nice and fine, because we don't need them to be really part of the meal. They're just gonna get cut up nice so they kind of melt away. And that's gonna be 1 full shallot. Okay, so now that we got the shallot cut up, we still got our garlic floating back here. I'm not gonna dump my garlic in there, but I am gonna get these shallots down into that butter that's starting to warm. Whoa. That piece of garlic decided to jump. So what do you do with garlic? You smash it. You smash them all. Don't let any of them get smashed. Anyway, then you want to chop them. You do want it to get as fine as possible, because you don't just want to chew on a big chunk of garlic. These aren't going to cook very long. This is all starting to cook. We're going to throw our garlic in there. I'm just going to let that stuff start cooking down. Chef Dad smoked salt. And some fresh cracked pepper. I'm going to crank up the heat just a little bit right now. I'm going to go in with my snails. And there's a couple more things I want to go in with this one. I got some red pepper flakes. I'm not going to go in with a ton, but just a few, because I want a little bit of spice to it. I would say these kind of have the consistency of shrimp. That's what I would say they have the consistency of. We're going to go in with some tarragon, just about a tablespoon, a little more. So in this one, I'm just going to go in with about a 1/4 cup of some dry white wine. And I want that to cook a little bit hot. And it's going to cook all that alcohol out of it. And you could substitute, instead of using flour, you could use cornstarch. But I'm just going to go in with about a tablespoon of flour. And we want to cook that flour down. Okay, now that our snails are all cooked up like that, we're going to go in with our tomatoes. And we're going to cook this just until they start blistering. And it's not going to take long. We're going to go in with a little bit of cream. Then we're going to go in with some Parmesan cheese. And I'm going to add a little bit right now and then a little bit after our noodles go in. Okay. So now we got 3 minutes. We've got all this done before our noodles were done. Check our noodles. You're looking for an al dente, which means it's going to be a little bit firm still. All right, we've definitely got 3 more minutes. Our noodles are just about dead. So we're going to take them straight over, and we're not going to worry about straining them at all, because we want some of that water to be carried over with it. That starch from the water is going to thicken everything up, make it stick to these noodles. We're just going to give this a nice stir, and we're going to start getting all that so that it combines with those noodles. We may take a little bit of that pasta water and mix it in here just so that it loosens up just a little bit. Okay, we're going to go in. We're just going to take a little bit of pasta water, a little more than that, just so it loosens up a little bit. And then we're going to go in with a little more Parmesan cheese. Now we're good to go. Time to plate and serve. Gotta get some of these beautiful tomatoes. And of course, some of our wonderful escargot. It's super good, super light. Snails are cooked perfectly. Tomatoes really go really well with this. Glad I added some red pepper flakes to it. Oh no, this is a really good dish. YouTube picked that video for you. I picked that video for you. That is the subscription button. Push it. I need you. Every one of you. Please go out. Find 36 other people similar to you and have them push that button.